You will not believe what happened to me last night. Check this video out. Something crazy is going on outside. My car alarm keeps going off and my lights are on by themselves. Look. I hear something on the fence. And I don't drive my car right now. It kind of smells like a skunk. Look, okay. What the hell is going on? What the hell's going on? But I hear something, listen. What the fuck? Excuse my language. What is going on? I hear something. Is there somebody in my car? Hold on. My cousin Tramel is not here. And what's going on? Hold on, let me close my gate and get my flashlight. What the hell's going on? First that girl was up in my car. Oh, what the hell? I hear my car. I hear the locks opening. Hold on. What the? Hold on. Okay. There's somebody in my car. I see you. Get out of my car. Get out. I see you in the mirror. Get out of my car. Get out of my car and just walk down the driveway.
Oh, really? Hold on.
Get out of my car. I'm going to call the police.
You get out. Here you go. You get out.
Get out of my car.
Hold on.
No, don't hold on nothing. Walk down the driveway. Walk down the driveway.
Here you go.
Hey.
What?
Oh.
Here you go.
Okay, we are in the 7 Seals.
Get out.
Can you just stop, please?
He's scared to come outside.
I'm not scared to come outside. I'm just like, you broke in my car.
Here you go.
I'm gonna talk to Steve. That's why he's putting the gate up. What the hell is that same girl? Man, this is crazy shit. She's walking down the driveway. How the fuck did she get in my car? She didn't break nothing. Uh-oh, she's gonna start tearing up Steve's apartment. Oh, shit. How did she get in my car? How did she get in my car? What the hell? Hey, she was in my car. And you said that you don't have nothing to do with her. She's an associate. Your mama don't want to deal with that. No, I don't want her to apologize to me. We're in the Seven Seals. I don't even know how she got in my car. And she messed up my mirror. Hold on, I gotta get my keys. Oh my God, this is crazy. See, and I follow the 22 laws. I follow the 22 laws, and I use common sense. I did not take my butt outside, but I was like, I heard my car going off at first. Hold on. I shouldn't have got in the car. I thought somebody was in the back seat. That scared the hell out of me. I didn't look in the back seat. I watched so many scary movies. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Hello. I shouldn't even be outside. I'm gonna start leaving all the lights on. Fuck this shit. I'm tired of this fucking earth. Hold on. I hate this world. Fucking motherfuckers. I hate it. Now I can see everything. Fuck this shit. You fucking motherfuckers. And that's a woman. So don't be thinking women aren't fucking crazy. Demons and all of these damn humans. Oh, she put my charger on the floor. This is my charger. She threw it out of the car. Because I saw her inside of my car. Hold on. She turned on all of my lights. So that's what I have to figure out. She's the same girl that did this the last time. Oh, I just thought about looking up for my UFO. I go to my UFO when my avatar goes to sleep. But it's a foggy night right now. But my UFO is up there. I have to turn off every light. Because that's the same dummy who was in my car the last time. She turned on all my lights. But that time I had left my car unlocked. So let me close the doors and see if my lights go off. Excuse me. So my lights are, bit my tongue. My lights are not going off right now. So we are in the Seven Seals and crazy stuff is going to start happening. Oh, she turned on I thought somebody was in the back seat because she turned on my back windshield. And when I was warming up the car, I heard something in the back, so I thought somebody was in the back seat. And I was like, she wears some perfume because she's probably funky. So my car smells like some cheap Walgreens spray. Oh, she probably used the one that I have in the car. It's for my car. Okay, wait. I'm just trying to see if the light's gonna turn off. Turn the car on. See if the lights will turn off. Oh. Damn it. What did she do? It is so crazy for somebody to be up in your car. But what if they're in your house? And I don't know how to turn off all these lights. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Close all the doors. Well, I'm going to end the video. Eventually, I'm going to get these lights off. But I'm going to leave it all lit up like this from now on. But see, they know that this apartment complex is under construction. But he wants to put a gate right there. And that is what needs to happen. I'm leaving this whole area lit up now. And I'm fixing my car next paycheck. Even though I don't need to use my car all the time. They see it sitting here all the time, and now they're starting to get out of control, and they do not live on this property. Hate this earth. We're in the 7 seals. Start protecting your property, but you can't use violence. You can't, or else you're part of the darkness too. So protect yourself by using common sense. You see, I didn't come outside right away. I saw her in my mirror after a while. She had on a red sweatshirt, but I didn't come outside and confront her. And I didn't confront the people whose address I have who stole my Amazon gift card. I didn't go over there and be like, give me my stuff. They changed my address to their address. And I forgave them today, and I just got my $300 back. And now they can't get in my account no more. The lights are not going off. Take a deep breath and relax. Oh, let me lock the doors and see if the lights go off. I don't have the alarm thing for my car. I lost it a long time ago. See, the lights are not going off in my car. She did something. I don't know what to do. Now my alarm's gonna go off because I don't have the alarm. Oh, it didn't go off this time. Okay, so let's try this. And lock. Please go off. How did she get in my car? I locked my car. How did... the lights are not going off. The lights are not going off. I don't know what she did. Don't off. Close the door. It's not turning off. They're not turning off. So I guess I'll just let the battery run out, and when it's time for me to fix the car, I'll get a jump and get it towed to the tow truck company, because this is ridiculous. All praise to the pre-existent Father, coming to him, using the pre-existent Son as my advocate and blood advocate and messenger and mentor in this demon earth, where you need the light to be able to see. Do not live in darkness. You need to be able to see these demons. But protect your home, lock your doors, lock your gates, get bars, because when the famine starts, it's going to get worse. I mean, there's no food in my car. She can't even drive my car, but she was in it, and she broke in it this time. And now I can call the police. And this one is not like the cybercrime on my phone. This is next door, so I can call the police this time. And he says she's an associate, but this time I'm tired of them. So I'm not trying to cause any problems. I'm trying to decrease the problem. And I guess by getting that gate down here at the bottom, because my family owns this property here. And then there's Steve that owns this property here that's under construction. But our front gate, we don't have a gate here, so people can just walk up our driveway. So we don't own this property here. And she's an associate. I need to be watching where I walk, because I don't know where his friends be. But I walk in the light, but again, use common sense. So people could just walk up our driveway. So, as I said earlier on my Facebook post, oh shit, I thought somebody was on my porch, but it's my flowers moving. I'm going inside. I'm tired of this. I'm locking my door to my car, and I'm going inside because I'm at home all by myself. My dad's not here. My cousin's not here. And I done walked away from my house. I know somebody's not inside my house because I would have saw the door light up. But this is freaky shit. I hate this earth. And if I was a female, I would be scared as F. And I am going to check my house to make sure nobody, when you go inside your house, especially at night, you should check your house. I got certain things set up in the house. That was some crazy mess. Okay. All praise to unbegotten Heavenly Father. So my car lights did go off. Follow the 22 laws from the perfect Savior, the Messiah. He is the pre-existent Son. He has 22 laws that you need to follow so that you have protection from the crazy stuff that's going on. And excuse my language when things were going on while I was recording the live video. But that was real life. And cursing when you're in a certain situation is not a sin. And I wasn't cursing at the person, I was cursing at the situation because it was some freaky, crazy shit. And we're in the 7 seals. And now my movie has just been proven to be real. I said we're in a Matrix simulation and we're in a movie script. And I just made a post about how we need to protect our possessions, how I need to protect, how somebody stole my $300. I'm going to do a whole video about all that. This whole month of August and now September has been crazy. And it's the solar radiation causing people to be crazy. They're going to be stealing stuff. They're going to be attacking people. So you need to be prepared. And having a car and money ain't going to protect you. Follow the 22 laws. I got cut off. Follow the 22 laws and share the 22 laws. And the 22 laws come from the 10 commandments, but it also comes from what the pre-existent Son said in the book of Matthew and the book of Peter. If you follow those laws, you will get protection from what's going on. And you have to use common sense. I didn't know if it was a demon that was invisible doing that to my car. I didn't know if it was a raccoon. I didn't know if it was a demon inside of a human. It was a demon inside of a human, but I didn't just run outside.